Please wait. Your session will begin in 2 minutes. Mhm. Right, let's begin the session. So this is the first demo session of Python full stack development. Okay. So in this demo session, I'm going to discuss what subjects are required to learn in Python full stack development process. So if you want to really become a full stack developer of Python, then what subjects need to be learned? I would like to discuss in this session. And also, I'll tell you if you are looking for only Python, like core and advanced Python programming, then you can enroll only for Python core and advanced. I will tell you clearly who should go with only Python core and advanced and who should go with complete full stack development process. Okay. So first, let me list out. Okay. So total subject names. What subjects I'm going to cover in full stack development process. First subject is Python. Second subject is Django. And third one is REST API. Fourth one is Flask. In addition, from this batch onwards, I'm going to include another framework that is FastAPI and basics of UI, means UI technologies, HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript plus jQuery, Bootstrap. Okay, yes. Next is 7, basics of MySQL. Yes. So total these subjects I'm going to cover in full stack development process. That means you must and should aware of these all subjects, then only you can say that is you are going to become full stack developer of Python. And some students are looking for only Python language, like core Python concepts and advanced Python programming, like advanced level of programming. See, sir, ultimately you have to choose the subject, okay? Either you want to go with only Python core and advanced or else full stack development. Decision is your choice. See, first I'll tell you who should go with only Python, for whom I recommend to learn only core and advanced Python means, for example, if your target is like data science, data analysis, data engineering, and statistical analysis, DevOps, AWS, this area, if you're looking, then for you, I recommend only Python core and advanced enough. No need to learn rest of them. Don't waste your money and time, right? And apart from it, so you are concentrate or you are looking completely full stack development. You are into complete full stack of Python means I recommend to learn all these 7 subjects completely. And then choice is yours. Whether do you want to continue with only Python programming or full stack development of Python, you can decide it, no problem. But only Python core and advanced time duration is so 45 working days to 50 working days. 45 to 50 working days I'll take to complete only Python core and advanced. Okay. After 45 to 50 working days also, if you are interested to learn Django, REST API, rest of the frameworks, then you can extend your enrollment process. Like initially, if you join only Python, no problem. After completion of 45 working days to 50 working days, depends on your skills, like if you are okay with Python coding, then you can extend your subjects like REST API, frame, Fast API, Flask, Django frameworks, UI basics, everything you can learn it, no problem. So decision is yours, I'm telling you. But I suggest you, if you are into completely development side, then full stack development is better. Or if you are looking for other courses like data science, data analysis, AWS, DevOps, okay? So where we can use Python more, okay, more relevantly. So in that area, so Python is enough to learn, okay? Because nowadays in software applications, most of the applications are depend on Python only. So if you know Python, you can handle the things very easily. That's the reason I'm saying that Python is only enough who are looking for other courses, extension courses. But if you are into full stack development, I recommend all these subjects better to learn. And only core and advanced Python time duration is, I'm saying, 45 to 50 working days, right, sir? But complete full stack development duration means minimum 5 months compulsory required. Okay, earlier it was 4 months only because I have not included Fast API in the previous batches. For the first time, I'm including one more new framework in Python, that is Fast API. This is also important according to the market demands only. I'm including this Fast API also, so that you will get plenty of frameworks idea. So 5 months duration of full stack development course, and only core and advanced Python duration is 45 to 50 working days, means up to 2 months. Every day session is going to be recorded, sir. Suppose even today's session also is going to be recording. And Monday to Saturday sessions will be continue. So only Sunday is the off. Okay. Yes. Yeah, AI also. AI means, as already I said, the batch is announced with AI tools also, right? So I'm including AI tools also. Like AI tools means complete generative AI is not, sir. You can see this. Okay. Complete generative AI is not. So how to use AI tools in the development process? I'm going to explain that. Okay. Yes. Not complete AI development. So you know that even though you have a subject like, okay, if you want more clarity to implement the application logic, then we can use this AI tools. Several AI tools are there. Each tool is having in different areas. It will be good. So I'll explain each and every AI tools how to use with Python development as well as any Django development. By covering this AI search engines only, we will discuss all the things clearly. But it doesn't mean that I'm completely depend on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini. You know that if you once depend on this, there is nothing to do here. As a as a developer or programmer, if you depend every time on AI tools, that means nothing to do this anything, because that is only giving everything. So you can't able to do much more things, right? Yes. So that's the matter. So even though artificial intelligence is needed for the development, so even human intelligence also required. Yes. Daily 1 hour session, like 9 to 10 p.m. And along with AI tools, I'm going to cover some important key libraries of data analysis programming. Okay, data analysis programming. So what are the key libraries means? NumPy, numerical Python, Pandas, Python data analysis, Matplotlib, mathematical plotting library for data visualization, Seaborn statistical analysis purpose, statistical diagrams and visualization purpose, we use this Seaborn. So these are all also included in the curriculum. So let's talk about each and every subject first purpose. Okay, you must know the purpose of the subject, sir. So Jyoti Mishra, this is exclusively for Python full stack development. You are asking DevOps. Sorry for that. If you need DevOps means you can enroll for the other course. Again, you are asking Jenkins. So these are other subjects. Why you are including in this one only? This is Python full stack development is the title. So all Python related things I am going to cover. So DevOps, this is not DevOps session. Okay, I mean to say if you are looking later DevOps or AWS or data science or data analytics, then Python is mandatory. So here you can learn Python, that's it. Later you can extend your skills with the DevOps or anything, but this session is not related to DevOps. Okay, so now let's talk about full stack development subjects. Each and every subject purpose we have to understand first. So I have list out here all the things, right? What is programming language, what is framework, and everything we are going to discuss clearly. Yes. Which framework mainly we will learn Django or Flask? We will learn all, not only Django or Flask. All four frameworks I'm going to teach you complete in-depth analysis, including hands-on experience, hands-on projects also. Okay, I'm not giving choice, Django or Flask. All is required. All frameworks we are going to learn. So these are all complete Python frameworks. Django, REST API, Flask, FastAPI. So all frameworks you must and should have the knowledge. Each framework is having its own style to use in real time. But to learn these all frameworks compulsory, you need Python. So without having skills of Python, you can't go with any frameworks. This is. So let me give clarity. Each and every subject purpose is what. Okay, I'm talking about Python. It's a main core subject. Whether you are into core and only core and advanced Python, or whether you are into full stack development, first 45 days to 50 working days, you must focus on Python, sir, compulsory. So Python is a programming language. Okay. Python is a programming language which is used to develop, or which is used to write coding part for the application development. Coding part for the application development. Yes. So what is Python? It's a programming language. What is the main goal to use this language in our full stack development? Means using this Python language only, we are going to write complete logic part and writing coding part for the application development. Complete code and complete logics we are going to write using this language only. And what about Django? Yes, Django is not a programming language. Then what it is? Yes, simply Django is Django is a framework. Django is a framework which is used to develop the web applications, which is used to develop the web applications. Django is a framework which is used to develop web applications. Web application means what? The application, the application which will provide the services over the web is called web application, right? Yes. The application which will provide the services over the web is called web application. So in Python full stack development, do you want to develop web applications like websites? Web application means online application like Flipkart, Amazon, banking application, e-commerce, social media groups, all are websites. That type of application do you want to build in Python full stack development? Compulsory what framework you should have the knowledge? The Django framework. So Django is not a language for your kind information. It's a programming, it's a framework only. What is framework also? I'll tell you that. So Django is a Python-based web development framework. Okay. So Django is a Python-based web development framework. It is a Python-based web development framework. And Django completely written in Python language. Completely written in Python language. That's what to learn Django framework, Python is mandatory. Yes. To learn Django framework, Python is mandatory. So Django is completely written in Python language. So if you want to learn Django, Python script is must. Without Python, we can't go for Django. And this Django framework through, we can develop what type of application? Web-based applications, web applications. And Python, to learn Python, what are the prerequisite subjects? Means I can say not required. No need to have the prior knowledge of programming before going to start learn Python, sir. Because Python itself, it is a basic language. To learn this basic language, no other basics are required in my opinion. Okay. So even if you don't have any basic knowledge in programming languages like C language, C++, Java, or some else, so you can literally start learn Python very easily because it's a easy programming language. It's having simple syntaxes. Everybody can understand. Even after getting a job, everybody can survive well easily. So this is Python and Django, two subjects purpose I explained clearly. And subject number three, REST API. But before that, I'm going to explain what is a framework. See, sir, framework is a collection of built-in libraries. Built-in libraries. Framework is nothing but collection of built-in libraries. Yes. Collection of built-in libraries means each library is nothing but it's having group of classes. Okay. So each library is a collection of classes. Each class is having collection of methods. Each method is having some implementation, like predefined implementation. So as soon as when we install Python frameworks, as soon as when we install Python software in our machine, automatically all the libraries will be installed in our machine. Once if you install all the libraries, then you can start development of your applications. So framework is nothing but collection of built-in libraries. Each library is a collection of classes. So these are nothing but ready-made resources, I can say simply. Ready-made resources means what, sir? If readily available, directly you can use it as a programmer. That's it. But imagine if the ready-made resources are not there, then you have to implement from scratch, right? Yes. You have to implement from scratch. So compulsory it is. And it is taking time again. Implementation from scratch means you have to implement it and you have to use it. But in Python, maximum applications are having its own libraries. Directly, you can use that libraries and implement the application in quick manner. So this is framework. So next framework I'm going to discuss that is REST API. See, sir, REST API is also one of the most important subject in real time. So here, what is REST API? What is REST and API also I'll discuss. First of all, REST API is a framework which is used to develop or design the APIs for web applications. For web applications. So APIs, do you want to develop or generate? Then we can use REST API. So first of all, what is REST here? REST stands for representational state transfer. REST stands for representational state transfer. So API stands for application programming interface. Application programming interface. So the APIs which are generated by using REST architecture is called REST APIs. Simple. The APIs which are generating which are generating by using REST architecture. REST is a design pattern or architectural pattern. Okay. Using this REST architecture, we are going to develop APIs. So the APIs which are generating by using REST architecture is called REST API. Simple. Okay. REST API. See, what is the importance of API? Let me explain. So API is a software tool. API is a software tool which enable the web application, which enable the web application to communicate with the other applications, to communicate with other applications. See, sir, for example, I am saying that using Django, we can develop web applications, right? Yes. For example, I am ready with my web application using Django and Python script. I have developed web application. So generally, web application purpose is what, sir? The application which will provide services over the web or internet is called web application. For example, Flipkart is there, Amazon is there, Swiggy app is there, Zomato app is there. These are the online services applications, right? Yes. So consider the example like Flipkart. In that Flipkart, I am selecting one product to purchase. The moment when I click on buy now option, then that Flipkart website or web application need to be communicated with the banking concern banking application. So then banking application need to be send the confirmation message to the Flipkart application, right? Yes. So please visual wait till the end of the session. I will tell you all the things. So front end topics clearly their UI basics I'm going to cover. So if you message me in the middle, then topic will be deviated, right? Please wait till the completion of demo so that I'll allow you to ask any question. So it will be good to answer all together. See, where I am in. So this is what I am saying. The topic will be completely deviated. Yeah. So whenever we use Flipkart.com, Flipkart website, so for purchasing the product. So whenever we purchase the product using Flipkart.com website and that product purpose we need to do make the payment and that purpose we need to raise the request to banking application and that application need to be give response back to the Flipkart page. So here two applications are communicating or talking with each other by sending request and getting response, right? That is possible with APIs only. Yes. So API act as a communication medium between two or more applications. So API is a software tool which enable the web application to communicate with other application, right? Yes. So that is the main thing here. So that's the reason for Django after I strongly recommend to learn REST API subject. Why? Because if you develop Django web application, suppose your web application is not in a position to communicate with other application, then what is the need to use of Django web application, right? So if don't generate API for your Django web application, then your web application of Django cannot communicate with the other application. If not communicating with other application, then we can't provide services to our customers. So that is REST API is also important. It is an extension of Django, sir. This is also called as DRF. DRF stands for Django REST Framework. Django REST Framework. So after Django, you must and should learn REST API. Compulsory. Okay. So REST API subject need. The prerequisite subjects are what? Python as well as Django. See, sir, to learn Django, the prerequisite subject is Python. To learn REST API, prerequisite subjects are Python as well as Django. Both are required. Okay. So this is exactly REST API subject. It is an extension of Django. Next, I'm talking about Flask. It is another framework. Let me discuss about Flask. See, sir, Flask is also a Python-based framework. Yes. So Flask is also a Python-based framework clearly here. Okay. So Python-based framework means compulsory to learn Flask. Okay. And we must and should learn Python. So Flask required Python subject only, not required any Django REST API. So Flask is another framework. Flask is a micro framework. Flask is a micro framework which is used to develop the single page web applications. Single page web applications. Okay. So Flask is a micro framework which is used to develop the single page web applications. And see, sir, using Flask, we can also write microservices programming. Yes, in Python full stack development, microservices programming purpose, we can use Flask framework. So it is a small and lightweight framework. So Flask through we can develop single page web application or dashboard web applications. So what is the difference between Django as well as Flask means? Django is used to develop medium scale and large scale application, and whereas Flask is used to develop single page or small scale application possible. So Flask need a Python script. So what is the prerequisite subject for the Flask framework means Python, I can say that. Without having Python knowledge, you can't go for Flask framework. And in addition, in this, especially from this batch only, I'm going to introduce a new, not new it is, just I'm telling new to our batches like FastAPI also I'm including. So FastAPI, according to market trend, I have included this. So FastAPI means what actually here? So FastAPI is a Python web framework used to build APIs quickly and efficiently. Yes, sir. So it is an extension of REST API, we can say that simply. So it is too much fast compared to REST API. So Fast API is a Python based framework which is used to build or develop, which is used to build the APIs quickly, quickly and efficiently we can build APIs. Compared to REST API, it is too much faster. That's what it is completely in real time scenario. Most of the people are going to use Fast API. I heard that. That's the reason I have included in this Fast API also in our syllabus. So it is a modern and high performance web framework for building APIs using Python only. So this is also internally, especially it is for RESTful APIs only, sir, actually. So RESTful APIs can be used in Fast API as well as. See, same REST API, how we are using REST API, RESTful API, web services, same kind of things we are using in Fast API. But in addition, this is very fast. In the name, it says it's called Fast API. That means too much fast is there in real time. It will be useful for the application development, Fast API through here. So the advantages in the Fast API, automatic validations are there. For data validation purpose, Pydantic we can use, and super performance it is. So automatic documentation also will be there, like Swagger UI tool is there. Okay, Redoc tool is there. Generally, Java people, .NET people, they can use Postman services for testing the API. But here, Fast API integrated with Swagger UI. So all are, it is one of the fastest Python frameworks, and it is very developer friendly also, Fast API. So that is what I'm going to cover Fast API also in this batch. From this batch, I'm going to start this Fast API only. Earlier it was not. Okay, automatic API documentation also we can write, and easy to learn and write the logics also here. Data validation, inbuilt data validations are there. So most of the cases for database CRUD operation purpose, we can use Fast API. And Fast API is a lightweight, perfect for microservices architecture also here. Okay. All built-in authentication, authorization, JWT, web tokens are there. Okay. So chart applications, streaming applications we can develop using Fast API and so on. So, so far, whatever I explained, the frameworks, observe here. Python language I explained, programming language, and Django framework, REST API, Flask, Fast API. Okay. So these are all under comes into what? First, before going to talk about basics of UI and MySQL, first you can see this. Every full stack developer must and should aware front end development process first. Front end development as well as back end development. Back end development. The person who aware front-end development as well as back-end development process means that person called as full stack developer who know about complete front-end development process as well as back-end development process. See, sir, so far whatever I explained the frameworks as well as language, all are under comes into back-end development only. But what under comes into front-end development means this is only. So all UI technologies under comes into back-end development. UI technologies. Sorry, front-end development, it's my bad. So UI technologies, all HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, all under comes into front-end development process. Means the moment when user entered into the website, what he is going to see on the screen, that is called front-end development, UI technologies only. Simple HTML through we can prepare the pages. And do you want to give some styling in addition to the HTML pages? Then we can go for CSS, cascading style sheet. And do you want to give more functionality or validation point of view? Then you can go for JS. JS means JavaScript. And jQuery Bootstrap. jQuery Bootstrap are advanced UI technologies. Okay. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. So jQuery, Bootstrap are advanced UI technologies which are implemented by using these three basic technologies through like HTML, CSS, JS. In our sessions in full stack development, especially while dealing with the Django framework for web development, I'm going to cover how much Django framework, REST API, all this fast API designing purpose, how much it is required. That much content I'm going to deliver in this UI technologies like front-end development process. And backend development required these. First, the language. Three subcomponents are there. The language, what language we are going to use in the backend development? Python only, sir. Yes, Python is backend, not frontend. Rest of them, all subjects are backend only. Next one is the frameworks. The frameworks. Yes, frameworks. What frameworks? Django, REST API, Flask, Fast API. So these are all the frameworks in the backend development process. Next, the database. So database also very important, sir, because in full stack development process, you must and should aware how to deal with your database also. For database purpose, we are going to use uh, mm, basics of MySQL and SQLite 3 tool also there, sir. This is also another integrated database, which is Django. So I'm going to use database purpose SQLite 3 database, which is integrated with the database and also MySQL basics I'm going to cover. So backend development need one language, multiple number of frameworks and database. Database means we can store our customer data permanently. Whenever it is required to access, you can access from this database one. So designing purpose, UI technologies must, and writing complete logics and application code purpose, we need a language, and development of web applications and API applications purpose, we use frameworks. Frameworks will have its own rules and regulations and specification. Whatever the rules and regulations and specifications are there, according to that only we have to use these frameworks. And database tools are SQLite and MySQL. Why MySQL only? Why not other databases like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle? Means yes, we can do it. So in Python full stack development, Python can able to connect with any database. It doesn't mean that only MySQL and SQL3. Why? Because majority of the people in real time MySQL is prefer in Python full stack development. Normally, if you ask the same question in Java full stack developer, their database is ultimately Oracle. And if you ask .NET people, their database MS SQL, Microsoft SQL Server only. Similarly, in Python full stack development, we are going to use MySQL. So this is exactly front-end development, back-end development, total subjects which I am going to cover, sir. So this is the basic introduction, very basic introduction. And in our development process, even Python discussion, Django discussion, whenever you have some doubt about our code for making code optimization purpose, I will also use chat GPT tool, how AI tools are play the role in real-time development. Even though if you are a well knowledge developer, if you are in a position to write some logics, then recent time companies are forcefully ask the developer to use this AI tools to make their application development will be faster rate when compared to normal way to write. So that's what you must know how to use these tools in the development process. That also will cover along with key libraries. Most of the data science programmers and data analysis programmers, they use NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These also I'm going to cover in our advanced Python programming. So these are all libraries under comes into Python programming only, sir. Okay. So this is my side today, and I'm going to tell you, you have enough demos to attend, sir. Total 4 demo sessions. You can feel free to attend. After attending 4 demos only, you will get clarity. So after getting clarity, then you can decide. You can take decision. Feel free to take the decision, and whether do you want to join this course or not, you can take the decision. So 4 demos, you have enough time. So today 1 demo is over. Still 3 more demos you can feel free to attend using same link at same time 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, only demos will take less time. After that, we'll make it 9 to 10 p.m. exactly. After demos completed, then the new link will be provided from DurgaSoft. So only the enrolled students should join for this course after 4 demos only. And
Okay.
once your enrollment process is over, and I'll collect the mail IDs from DurgaSoft. Once I collect the mail IDs, I can start sharing the videos, and each and every subject material also will be sent to your Google Drive. So material you can able to download, videos you can able to access lifetime. So you can see Core Python, Advanced Python, Django, Flask framework, REST API, even FastAPI. Newly I'm introducing this from this batch, right? So each and every day-wise material you will be able to receive that fast API.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, this recording video, everyday recording video, I will able to access lifetime.
Yes. Every see, sir. First 4 days you have to attend continuously demos. Once
Okay.
demos are over, then every day record is there, right? Once demos lectures are over, once your enrollment process is over,
Yes.
then I can place this 4 video lecture into one folder.
Okay.
I'll create one folder like Python full stack 9 p.m. So
Okay.
every day the video will be uploaded. Automatically it will upload it to your drive also.
Okay.
Then the video's accessibility lifetime. Anytime you can access, no problem at
Okay. Okay. Because, sir, I have already taken one course from here, na DurgaSoft Institute. One course,
all.
6 months back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And I think DurgaSoft, they did not provide the access for lifetime. They only provide the access for only 6 months, I think.
Yeah, that all. See, trainer to trainer.
Okay.
It
Okay.
depends on, right? Because many of the trainers are not going to share the videos from their side.
Okay.
DurgaSoft will take responsibility to share those videos, and they are going to even from my side also, even our team, backend team, when they follow up your this batch details, and
Okay.
in the mail clearly they try to mention 6 months video access. Try to ignore that because it's a common every of that message will come from Durgasoft point of view, but video access and everything material in from my mail only you will get. So that is in my hand. So that is what I am giving my words to all students. Once you are into my batch, compulsory video access will be lifetime.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, you will cover, sir, data structure also, na? This Python, like
Uh,
linked list, stack.
obviously, there are lot of data structures are there listed, tuple set, frozen set, many of them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, you will cover linked list and stack also.
yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. And sir, you will be start from this front end, back end API, this kind of thing, or you will be start from Python basics first.
See, sir, first 45 days to 50 days Python only I'll teach. Once you good at Python or once you are enough knowledge with Python, then only you can understand Django framework, REST API, other subjects. Orderly you have to learn.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Uh, without having Python skills, no other frameworks are possible to learn. Django, REST API. And REST API, if you want to learn REST API, compulsory Django skills are required. So orderly, we have to deliver the subjects.
Okay, okay, sir. And sir, in this Python coding language, sir, SQL, MySQL is connected to this Python, I think. It is
Uh,
connected.
Python can communicate with any any database.
Okay, okay. But
Hmm.
because sir, previously I have worked on C and C++ coding language, but
Hmm.
they did not link any to SQL, C and C++.
Why?
Programming language na, like C and C++.
Okay, I'm not sure that because Python through we can communicate with any database. Just connection string you have to pass. Connection string will be different from database to database.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, you will teach sir example. You will write example also na every day. Like if you will teach Python any topic, then you will explain the example also to see the example.
What is that?
Example. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Example, what is that new thing I'm thinking?
Okay,
So
sir.
sorry, sir.
Okay. No, no. Write a program like if you will explain any topic in the Python, then
Obviously, all programming completely coding through only I'll explain, not theoretical, sir. Not much more concentration on theoretical.
okay, okay,
Once I enter into coding part and installation process and everything, you will see how it is going to be complete practical orientation only, application oriented.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay,
Mm.
sir. But theory is also important, sir, because without theory, without knowing the theory, without knowing the
Yeah,
basic concept, I cannot understand
that's
practice.
what, man. The theory much more not. I'm completely not in focus on theory. So every topic I'll take and I'll explain theoretically and make into programmatically also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And sir,
Any uh,
what is the duration for this Python basic plus advanced? How many days it will be covered?
up to 2 months.
Okay, this Python it will be take 2 months to
Up
cover.
to yeah, up to 2 months. Only complete full stack development with frameworks and all with projects also 5 months.
5 months.
Five
This.
months, yeah.
Okay.
Because subject is vast here. Total number of subjects are lot of there. So
Okay.
frameworks are more. So every framework is important in real time. So that's what 5 months it's easy to take.
5 months is easy to take. Okay.
Uh, It will take 5 months minimum, I am thinking. But it's because I have complete PDF material is there. That's what I can easily finish within 5 months. Because Django framework web development process it's not a easy thing to do, right? So you have to
Yes.
include all the topics clearly.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So
Okay.
from scratch to advanced level, I'll teach completely. So once you complete this course, and obviously I can say that at the end of the day, you will not disappoint for sure. That much I can give guarantee. But only the thing is you should work hard something like you have to be practice in regular interval period of time.
Hi, sir.
Any, yeah, Pawan, tell me.
Is there any chances to get placement support after completing?
Placement assistance will be there, sir. We will not give any guarantee for that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Placement assistant is will be
Assistance is
there.
there. Yeah, the DurgaSoft team is working behind the scenes. If any recruitment is going and they will make you to alert, then you can attend interviews.
Okay. That's it. Sir, what's the timing for regular classes?
Yes, same time,
Is
9 p.m. to
it
10 p.m. only.
the same for 9 p.m. to 10
Yes, exactly.
p.m.? Any lab works we will get regular
N-
classes.
Lab work means how it is online session, man. How if it is offline, then lab work will be there in our at our institute only. But it is an online, right?
Yeah.
Online means you have to attend session daily, then rest of the time you have to be practice. Once if you have any doubt, you can feel free to post your questions in WhatsApp group because we will create a WhatsApp group. All the many of them are there in WhatsApp group, so you can feel free to share your screens.
And
Okay,
sir,
okay. Thanks.
okay, sir. And sir, classes will be Monday to Friday,
Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday, 6 days.
Yes.
Okay, sir. And sir, like you will take the class every day, like 9 to 10 p.m. night.
9 to 10 only, fixed time it is. This time
Yes,
will
yes.
never change.
Yes, sir. You will take the class 9 to 10, then every day recording will be, it will be uploaded next day, like until which time?
No. 9 to 10 session will be over. No, 10, 10, 15, 10, 20 around it, you will get the video updated.
Okay. Because uh, then I can watch the video again, no? If I forget
Yes.
anything.
Anything. Even if you sometimes if you're unable to attend also everything video there, no, you can able to watch it and continue with the next session. It will be good for the subject concepts wise, it will be clear.
Okay, sir. And every day notes will be uploaded also. Notes.
Everyday notes not. Everyday notes not. Any see, sir, if I start Python core, so I'll upload this direct material to you, complete core Python material.
Okay.
And next to advanced Python, whenever I start, first only I'll send this complete advanced Python. Whenever I start Django material also will receive that complete material.
Okay. Notes will daily notes will not be uploaded. It is a, like, I think, a PPT. It will be uploaded.
No, PPT, no. We will not use any PPT. If anybody PPT means you will also teach, right? That is nothing is there. But I will go with my own code.
Okay. No.
No
Actually,
PPT.
sir, my question is that if you are taking daily class and you are writing the here some notes.
Writing, this notepad is just for writing for your purpose, your presence purpose. But anyway, these statements also have included already in the PDF, right? Why again this notepad document is required?
Okay. You have already made the notes, I think.
Done. Yes, everything is, it's there clearly.
Okay. Then you will directly upload, and then we can make our handwritten notes. Yes.
Handwritten notes not necessary, man. So which is
Okay.
not at a waste of time, right? Instead
Okay.
of handwritten notes, do same thing in coding in the laptop only. That is better.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm sending the PDF. You can read it and if theoretical statements. No need to write handwritten notes. Not waste of time. That is, in my opinion.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
hello, sir.
Yeah,
In
proceed.
full stack, we are going to be do any projects, sir, actually.
Obviously, Django.
Yeah.
Whenever we start Django completion after 2 to 3 hands-on projects we will develop that
Yeah.
you can able to claim yourself in your resume. That is, I have a coding experience like that.
In Flask also some applications we are going to do, sir, with the
Yes,
Flask also.
yeah, Flask, everything. Flask application, REST API applications will be there.
Right. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, sir, I want to know, like, once this full stack course is completed, so how many year of experience I can show to the company? Because currently I'm working on DevOps engineer. As a DevOps engineer, I have total 4 year experience, but I have not worked that much into the Python area, but I have
Okay.
worked on DevOps areas. So I want to include the Python also. So that's what I want to know, how many year of experience I can expect, like I can
See,
sold to
sir,
the company.
with this training, you can
Yeah.
easily put the 3 years experience minimum, no problem.
Okay. Okay then.
Easily we can.
Okay then. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Any questions from anybody still?
Yeah, I am Naga.
Yeah, tell me, Naga.
Can I know the duration of this course?
Full stack or only Python?
Full stack.
5 months.
Only-
5 months.
Only Python, what can I do?
Yeah, that's what. 5 months duration it is there. Full stack, complete subjects.
Can I get full hands-on, experience 3 years or 4 years?
Undoubtedly. You will get complete. Once you complete this course, you should be in a position to develop any sort of application.
Yeah, one more thing here. I have full stack developers are replaced with they will develop only scalable products like that. Is it right? Without us, it works.
I'm not getting your question. Please repeat it once, if you don't mind.
These days I had many times AI will be replaced by full stack developers, web developers like that.
No, man, that is there is no much more because completely Even AI is there, but to handle the AI, compulsory human intelligence is required, right?
Yeah.
In my opinion, that everything is not possible with AI. Developer must be present there. But the meaning is if you start use AI, then your development time will be reduced undoubtedly because with AI support, it's easily implement and no need to waste your time to focus on error handling and everything because as much as quickly you can finish your task. That much I can say that. But complete replacement, not at all true.
And also, I heard one thing like the jobs of developers are decreased because of
Yeah,
the AI technology. Is it right?
obviously right. Why not? But what jobs are the matter, Mister? See,
Web
most of
developer.
the no web developer job undoubtedly can't be replaced with AI, no doubt at all. See, all supportive jobs and what we can say, customer care supportive and technical support team, these kind of jobs we are more effective with AI. But exclusive end-to-end development process, business application, financial application, banking application, no AI can be replaced. AI can be useful, but complete replacement will not be there. Compulsory developers need to be do something.
Okay.
It's my opinion.
One more thing. Currently, are you working in real time or
No,
you are
no. I'm
completely
in I'm in full completely full
like
fledged trainer, exclusive trainer, but I have worked previously from 2009 to 2015 up to. So later I'm into full-time training side only, like full stack .NET, full stack Python, complete.
okay, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, proceed one by one, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, you will teach OOPS concept also, no? OOPS concept.
Yes, it's there. Please, I request you, our team will send the course content also.
Okay.
Okay, along with this, after session, I think tomorrow morning hours, you will get a mail from DurgaSoft officially. So there you can find the video link also, demo link, this demo, whatever I completed, that also there. And along with that, there is a link will be there for course, full complete course content. You can
Okay.
check what topics I have included there.
Okay.
Without OOPS concept, then how we can manage the application? Compulsory it is.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Vijay K, you have attended morning sessions, right? Complete demos last I noticed that you have attended morning session around 10 a.m. What happened in that batch? Is there any timing issue, Mr. Vijay K?
No, I have not attended any demo. Now only I am attending.
Vijay K.
Yes, yes. Now only I am attended the demo.
First time you're attending, huh?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Because with the same name through some other joined in the morning. Recent days, I have
No, no,
completed
no,
demo
no.
lectures, one
Now
morning
only I have
batch.
attended the demo, sir.
No problem, no. Thank you. Just for confirmation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, sir. Have a nice time. Thanks for attending this session. I request you feel free to attend 3 more demos lectures continuously. After demos only, please be relaxed and take the decision properly. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow I will focus complete on Python discussion. And
Okay.
once Python discussion over, then we will start the installation procedure step by step clearly. And
Okay.
once installation procedure is over, we will try to set up the editor tools and start writing coding without delay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for attending this session. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow. You can feel free to attend 3 more demos lectures continuously so that you will get clarity. After that, you can decide. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.